Yeah guys, let's walk. Let's do some walking in town. Let's do some walking in town. So we're gonna start from Railways. This is Railways, as you can see the trains from Railways. From Nairobi Town Railways. So this is Railways. Let's go walk. So you can see, look at that. See how this area is. This is the Railways Nairobi CBD. Railways Nairobi town. Now let's walk down there. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. We see how we go. Oh, there's somebody coming with a copyright. I had to end the video there. There's a lady carrying. There's a lady carrying a Bluetooth speaker. There's a lady carrying a Bluetooth speaker. That one has a copyright. So now let's walk. This is a 4K walking tour. 4K resolution walking tour. What kind of laughing is that? You know, I'm so huge. I am so huge. Let me see how much I weigh. Let me see how much I weigh. Ni ngapi?
Mbao.
Eh? Mbao na umeandika 10.
10.
Na 15. Sasa tuone niko kilo ngapi. Hiyo ni 1
116, 118 iko karibu ufuje.
Kufika 120. 118. Iko sawa. Guys, you see I'm 118 kgs. Can you imagine that? 118 kgs. 118 kgs. Why? That's why they call me Muzito. You know, I've never gone anywhere and somebody say, niaje ka bro. Nobody has ever called me ka bro. They always call me niaje bazoo, chairman, Mzito, Bazenga. You have seen the reason, eh? I'm a huge guy, 115 kgs. Where? Anyway, let's do some walking. Let's do some walking. Tuone kama tutapunguza ka kitambi basi. Turudi kitu 110 kgs ama aje. Because I think I reduced, because I used to be 120 kgs from since 2018. I've been 120 kgs. So I'm surprised to find that I'm now 118. I thought I'm still at 120. I think these walking videos are the ones making me lose the 2 kg. The way I like my weight. So guys, we are at, this one used to be Kenya Polytechnic, but then what is it called now? And this is Posta City Square. Right in front of us is the Central Bank of Kenya. Right in front. See, right in front of us, that is the Central Bank of Kenya. After the highway. The Central Bank of Kenya. So I'm gonna go up here. I think I'm gonna go up here. Ndio niende nitoke huko juu, nitoke the other side. Let's go here. Let us go up here. Yeah. So if you want to cross this road, you must go up here. Are you seeing this? Let me show you. Are you seeing this? You must cross this road here. So this is the box. City Square. Box office. So you must go up here. Like this. Times Towers. This is Times Towers. Yeah. Are you seeing? Are you seeing Times Towers? That is Times Towers. Let's proceed. So this is the Technical University. Are you seeing the other side? That is the Technical. Technical University of Kenya. They used to call it Kenya Polytechnic. Yeah. That used to be called Kenya Polytechnic, but these days they call it the Technical University of Kenya, and the opposite you can see that is the Times Towers. Times Towers. At some point it was the tallest building in Nairobi, but it was later. Look at the jam station here. See the jam station. So that is Central Bank of Kenya. That is Central Bank of Kenya. Look at the jam station. So this is Times Towers. This is Times Towers. This is where our tax is collected. Kenyan tax is collected. So let's proceed. Yeah, you seeing tiles, towers. Let us proceed. Let us proceed. Tuteremke sasa. Let's cross the road and go on this side. So this is Nairobi, very beautiful area. Nairobi is very beautiful, as you can see. So so let me end the video here at Herufi House. Let me end the video here at Herufi House, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.